Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my vlogmas number 6 if I'm not mistaken. But yes, today I'll be unboxing some boxes, some packages that came today. I've been doing some shopping last week during my leave, and today some of them came, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get started. Okay, so I got my first box over here. I think this is from Bath and Body Works. I got some stuff from online when they had this online sale, of course. So I got my knife here. So let's see what's inside, because sometimes I totally forgot what I ordered, because I always order like every single day, I think. It's pretty light though, so let me see what's inside here. I think it's the wallflower from Bath and Body Works. It's the wallflower, guys. Oh, it's my favorite scent for the Christmas season thingy they have. It's the Bright Christmas Morning holiday favorites wallflower right here, guys. So that's not literally, that's the only thing that's inside from this box. I don't know why, but it's really like this. This is the only one. So yeah. So let's go to the next box that I have here. So I have another one here, and again it's from Bath and Body Works. More stuff from there, guys. I think the candle is here because I know I ordered some candle, so hopefully it's here, because apparently they've been sending this like separately, even though I ordered them like on the same day. More wallflowers, guys. I got the sugared snickerdoodle right here. It's one of their Christmas scents, so hopefully it smells good. And then I have another wallflowers. Well, let's see what scent is this. Oh, this one is the Vanilla Bean Noble. There. And let's see, we have the Snowy Peach Berry. Oh, my favorite right there. So this is one of my favorite scent, guys. I got the candle and the sanitizer for this because I really love this scent. Is the Snowy Peach Berry. So there. And then they have a box inside the box, and I'm guessing this is the candle that I got. Okay, let me open this. So I got the Bright Christmas Morning scented candle. It smells so good, guys. That's actually what I'm using right now for my wallflowers. It's actually like plugged right next to me, and it really smells great. So I think that's why I got this candle, because I love the scent. And yeah, so that's all I got, guys, from Bath and Body Works. I got one candle and a four different scent of wallflowers. So next thing I got here, guys, I have a pretty huge box here, like really huge, and it's pretty heavy. But I'm guessing this is from Shein. If you guys don't know what Shein is like an online shopping with like clothes, accessories, whatever you guys can think of. They have it, and it's pretty cheap price they have. So I did some shopping, obviously, and I did a lot. I think I got like more than 20 items in here. And because I'm preparing for our trip this coming New Year's, and you guys should watch out for that because we'll go to a place that pretty fun, you know, so make sure you watch out for that. But yeah, so most of this stuff are pretty much for winter because, you know, it's gonna be cold for this coming days, months. So yeah, so let's start opening this. Okay guys, so I got another chair right next to me because I'm trying to open this box and it's really too heavy and it's really huge, and I kind of put it in front of me because you guys are not gonna see me. So I got another chair real quick and I put it right next to me if you guys can see. Let me push it in real quick. So the box is right here guys, and let me continue opening this. Okay, it's finally open. Oh my gosh. But so first thing I see here on top is a clothing. Okay, the first thing I have here is the outfit. And oh, this is like, ooh, this looks cute. Hopefully it fits. Oh, look at this. So this is the first outfit I got. It's like blazer, like you can have this with something underneath. This is really cute. First clothes. Okay. The thing we have here is what is this? Oh, this is a it's a sweater guys, and I'm not gonna put it out because I really don't have a space right now to where to put this. And yeah, so I got another sweater here. It's for cold, you know. And then I have what's this? So I'm gonna open some of them guys, like the small ones, but those huge clothing I might not open it because I don't know where to put them. My closet is pretty full, drawers and everything. So this one is another outfit guys, and this is a it's a two-piece sweatpants with top. So it's really cute. I think this is my first. I never have a color of clothing like this, but it looks nice guys. Look. Then next thing we have, I'm telling you guys, this is like a lot. And so next thing we have here is what is this? Okay, I don't know what this is, but oh, it's a jumpsuit. It's weird when I'm holding it, but hopefully it looks cute. I'll probably put like pictures next to it when I got this clothing because it looks weird when I'm looking at it. And yeah, so let's go to the next because this is a lot. And then this is another piece, guys, another long sleeve right here. I'll put the picture somewhere here. And then, oh, this is a long sleeve again. So like I said, guys, most of these are winter clothes because we're going to for New Year's, we're going somewhere that is pretty cold. So yeah, we need the warmth outfit, and this is really cute. Ooh. It's a red turtleneck, but the front it has like a little accent. It has a hole. But yeah, it's probably just right by your chest, of course. But yeah, this is cute. Oh my gosh, I don't know where I'm gonna put all of this, to be honest. I'm guessing this is a shorts. Yes, it's a shorts, guys. I think it's like workout clothes. I mean, workout shorts. Cute. Okay. I like it. I like the material too, guys. It's pretty nice. Let me make a space right here, guys, because it's pretty messy here. So let me right back. Okay, guys. So I made a little space in front of me because there was too much stuff. But let's go back again. I have another. Oh, this is a leggings, guys. I'm not gonna open it up, but it's a leggings. I'll show you the picture somewhere here, but it's a cute leggings. If you love wearing like workout stuff, especially like leggings, I recommend you guys to go to Shein because they're pretty cheap and the material is really good. So anyways, next thing we have here is there's just a lot, but I don't know, I forgot. Oh, it's another jumpsuit, guys. Another jumpsuit. So it's a black jumpsuit. That's cute. Oh, I know, I got this. I got a wallet. It's like a hat, guys. So cute. Let me try it on. Let's see how it looks on me. It's actually cute. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it fits my head. It's cute, guys. Does it look nice to me? Yes, I'm ready for this trip, guys. Oh my gosh. Another jumpsuit. This is another jumpsuit, guys, so I'm not gonna open it. But another black jumpsuit. I have 3 of them, but I wonder what this is. Oh my gosh. Another jumpsuit, guys. I might have a lot of jumpsuit. But it's another black jumpsuit apparently. I don't know why. Anyways, let's go next. And then I have the green one, the one that I tried on. I had a green one of it, so this looks nice. I think it's a green turtleneck right there. So I actually don't hurt as much. Kind of, but we'll see. It's a coat, guys. So another coat. I'll show you the picture somewhere here. A white beret dress right here, and we got some pants also, of course. Another pants. It's another black pants. Ooh, and this is the orange pants that I got. Make sure you guys watch out for that OOTD that I'm gonna be having on my Instagram. Another pants. And another pants. Okay, I got a lot of pants. I hope they fit too, hopefully. Last thing we have here are like few boxes, and all of those are shoes that I got and boots. And the first shoes that I got here in a box is another boots, black boots. Oh, I got this because the other one that I got, the first one that I got was pretty high, and I don't think I'm gonna bring that to the place that we're gonna go. So I got another one that is pretty comfy. So I got this. Oh my god! Look at the white boots. Look at this. Hopefully it fits me, but this is actually cute. Look at that. Anyways, guys, that's all I got. It's pretty messy here right now, to be honest. It's like a bunch of stuff. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because it's really a lot. Hopefully it fits in the closet or in the drawer because it's really a lot. But if you guys enjoy this video, if you guys still watching, I really appreciate that. And you watch out for the OOTDs that I'm gonna be posting in my Instagram. So if you don't know, my Instagram is right here. I'll put it right here. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.